Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. In a previous video on this channel, we were discussing the fact that on multiple occasions, not only at Don Mueang International Airport here in Bangkok, but also at Suvarnabhumi International Airport, there were instances where 4 and 5 hour long waits were being reported. There were sort of Twitter and sort of the social media became a buzz here in Thailand with videos and photos from incoming travelers who were forced to wait in significantly longer lines at immigration checkpoints coming in at both of those airports. As previously noted in that other video, I think that this is the result of more stringent enforcement protocols being enforced with respect to incoming immigrants. Also, they're now checking more and more for those who may have been previously blacklisted from coming into the kingdom. And I just think also what happened is it was a logistical issue. There was just a gap in planning, and basically they didn't really understand how many people were going to be coming through at a given time, and they simply didn't have the bonded officers on duty in order to process those folks as quickly as they usually do. And to be very clear, I noticed one comment on another sort of on a forum that was talking about, it might have been Thai Visa Forum, something like that, basically where somebody said, hey, you know, there are other countries that have significant wait times that are like this, 3 and 4 hours. It's not uncommon to think you're going to be waiting at least an hour to get through an international immigration checkpoint. And in my opinion, other than this sort of one blip on the radar, quite frankly, immigration at the airports does a pretty good job of getting people moved through there. Now, they do use some protocols that might be considered a little bit antiquated with respect to, you know, the stamp and paper system for visas and things. There are other countries that have gone to a more digitized system, but it is my understanding that they are, especially starting with Singaporean nationals, they are going to begin doing sort of more efficiently sort of digitized admission for foreign nationals coming in the country. They just haven't fully gotten it implemented yet. And keep in mind, Thailand is a hub for thousands and thousands of entering foreign aliens every day. So, you know, they've got a lot of work to do. I'm not exactly being an apologist for them, but I think it's worth noting in their defense that, you know, they have a lot to get done, and sometimes, yeah, the wheels do fall off the wagon, and occasionally, you know, things get sort of clogged up. But in a recent article that came out from Thai PBS, the public broadcasting service here in Thailand, it noted Bangkok, and the article was entitled 200 more immigration officials deployed at Don Mueang and Suvarnabhumi airports. Bangkok, about 200 immigration officials from immigration offices throughout the country have been mobilized and deployed at the Suvarnabhumi and Don Mueang airports to cope with increasing numbers of arrival. This is as a result of, it went all the way up to the Prime Minister's office here in the kingdom, that this was an issue, people were complaining about it, and as a result, they went ahead and mobilized 200 new officers from other areas. They retasked them and apparently have brought them down in an effort to process incoming travelers at both of these airports. Since the time of that article, I have not seen or heard any articles or have not heard any anecdotes or anecdotal evidence to suggest that there's been anything but efficiency being the order of the day out at that airport, out of both of those airports. So it seems logical to infer that moving forward, they're going to go ahead and have the personnel necessary to go ahead and quickly and efficiently process travelers coming into the kingdom.